Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today, we're going to see how we can speed up our website. Let's get started. In 2022, site speed comes first, no matter how creative or interactive a website is. If it loads slow, it will have low number of conversions, a high bounce rate, and a low number of pages per visit. Site speed also affects SEO to a certain degree. On the other hand, a fast site has thousands of positive points, especially for a business. The faster the website is, the more people will want to explore the site for either information, service, or product. You could say a fast website is a must for converting a site visitor to a customer or client, because it's better to catch people during their purchase decision with a fast and easy to navigate site in order to better lead them on their path to conversion. Let's see some ways in which we can improve the speed of our website. We are going to use WP Rocket to optimize, plus we will see the results in GT metrics and page insights. These are two websites that gives us report on our site and shows performance in various areas. These websites will be linked in the description. Now before we install the plugin, make sure to take a full backup of your website. You can learn how to take a backup from our video which will be linked in the description. Now let's install the plugin. For that, head over to the WP Rocket website and choose a plan. The website will be linked in the description. Now, after you install the zip file from the website, head over to Plugins, click on Add New, and click on Upload Plugin. Choose the file and click on Install Now. Click on Activate Plugin. Now let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Now let's head over to Dashboard. Click on Settings. Now this is our WP Rocket dashboard. Now first thing we're going to do is click on Cache. Here you can see this is the cache section. Now what is cache? When a viewer visits the website, the browser downloads the website in form of cache. So the next time the visitor will visit the site, he will have already downloaded the website and it will be faster to load on his browser. Now in here, you need to click on Separate Cache File for mobiles and enable these options. We're going to increase the cache lifespan. Now click on File Optimization. Now just to be clear, these may break your website or their designs, so make sure to have a backup. Click on Minify CSS. Click on Combine and select Optimize. Now minify the JavaScript files as well. and click on Save Changes. Now let's head over to Database and click on Post this option in Post Cleanup. Now what this will do is clean up your database and click on Optimize Tables. You can even schedule the automatic cleanup as well. For me it will be weekly. And click on Save Changes and Optimize. Now before heading back, let's head over to WP Rocket and click on Clear Cache. Now let's head over to our website. Copy your URL, go towards Page Insights and paste it, and then click on Analyze. Click on Desktop, and as you can see, our website scored 97, which is good. Now let's head over to GT metrics as well. Paste the link to our website here and click on Test. Now as you can see, this is our score. Let's head back. Now there are some more things that you can do. Click on Media and click on Lazy Load Images. Now what this will do is this will load images only when it is interacted with. Click on Replace. Click on Add Missing Image Dimensions. Click Save Changes again. Now let's clear cache once again. Wait for a few seconds. Now it is good practice to wait for a few seconds after you cleared the cache. Let's do a test one more time. Now as you can see, our performance has been increased. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.